To create your account in Blended Learning Center, type DIU BLC in your browser search bar. And press then you see the first link of DIU Blended Center in search result. Here interface is the main DIU an account on BLC account. Use some form of your official The password must have at least 8 characters, at least 1 digit, at least 1 lowercase letter, at least 1 uppercase letter, at least 1 non-alphanumeric characters such as star, hyphen or hash. You need to use DIU's email address to create an account in BLC. Your DIU email address will be provided by the university. Type your email here. Type your email again. Type your first name and surname. Then click on create my new account. Check your email now. You will get an account confirmation email. If you can't see the email in inbox, don't forget to check in spam. Then click on the link on the email to confirm your account. Now you can log in to DIU BLC using your username and password. Type your username, type your password. Click login. Then in the top right, click on the name and click on the profile to on top, click on setting button and click on edit profile. Profile photo. Here you can drag and drop file here to add. You can add your interest here. Click here to add your student ID and department name. Type your student ID here and department name. You can add your phone number and addresses. Then click on update profile to save your profile. I'll discuss in the next video how to reset your DIU BLC password and username. Stay tuned.